we use examples to choose the correct option. For A, we take an equals to 1 by n, and we know that sigma n equals to 1 infinity an square, that is n equals to 1 infinity 1 by n square. Putting 1 by n for an, we know that this series is convergent, but one knows that this series is divergent. So according to this example, A is wrong. Now B. For B, we take an equals to 1. So n equals to 1 infinity an by 2n, n by 2 to the power n will be n equals to 1 infinity 1 by 2 2 to the power n. Putting 1 for an, you see that this is a geometric series, so convergent. But you know that series formed by this sequence is divergent. So B is also wrong. Now for C, we take an equals to 1 by 2 to the power n square. So this sequence an plus 1 by an will be sigma n equals to 1 to infinity n plus 1. Putting at the place of n, we can find n plus 1. This will be 1 by 2 to the power n plus 1 whole square, and here you see an, so here will be 2 to the power n square. Simplification gives us n equals to 1 to infinity 1 by 2 to the power 2n plus 1. And you know that this series is convergent, also this series is convergent, both are convergent. So C seems to be correct. You see that this is correct. For this example, whenever you use examples to choose the correct option, you have to prove 3 other options wrong. So we have to prove D a wrong option. So for D, we take an equals to 2 to the power n square, and let us find this infinity an. You see in option an by an plus 1, and you see that this is a reciprocal of this thing, and if you find, then you will get infinity the same thing, because here you see the reciprocal. So here will be 2 to the here will be 1 by 2 to the power 2n plus 1, and you see that this is convergent, but this is divergent. So D is also wrong. We have proved 3 options wrong, and only C is correct. So whenever you see a question in which only one option is correct, it is better to save time to choose the right option using examples. So C is our correct option.